Well, hello there, friends and family. It's so good to see you again. Didn't know we'd be talking this soon, but here we are. And it brings up an important aspect, and that's the reason I'm out here talking to you. Let's come around here. You see, today we were continuing on the yard. Plenty to do. I know y'all say it looks good, but it's far from it. And we were picking up some stuff, again, you know, from the old oaks. And it's just like all things. Things happen. You can let them get you down, or, you know, it's what they say. You can let life break you, or you can break life. Well, things break, and they gotta be fixed. So, as you can see right here, my trusty old wheelbarrow from True Temper is upside down. There seems to be a big pile of rather large limbs, well, logs here. And this fell out of the oak. Yep, I don't know how, since I paid, you know, tree service to cut all the dead out. But apparently they missed some. And the last strong storm we had, it fell out and fell over by the rear of the house. Some of it actually hit the roof. But don't worry, the roof's fine. So I was chunking it all in the wheelbarrow today because I'm going to be finishing up this here backside of the yard closest to the house, along with taking off some junk in that. All before I start to get this here back part of the backyard all whipped into straight shape. Of course, I got my faithful companion and mentor, Spooky, there with me, checking out the tools, making sure we got everything we need. And the mail lady's coming, which I'm expecting a package, so I can get this here show on the road. You can see right here, here's the one handle that broke off. And I knew it was gonna break. The wheelbarrow's old. Oh, probably going on 20 years old now. And I've used it a lot. So I can't complain. But everything else about it's still good. So I could have either took it to the road, or I could order some new handles. And that's exactly what we did. Spooky found them for me. I think he found them on Amazon. Didn't you, Spook? And I think they just came right now. Let's go see. Well, there you have it. In fact, she just did drop them off. So now we're all ready to take off the old, put on the new, and then we can get back to picking things up and continuing on to get the old yard back in shape after a long winter sleep. Yeah, except here in Deep South. Nothing ever sleeps. It just keeps growing, just slower. Yeah. So, you know, me and Spooky there, we're going to get these put on. And then we'll come back and check in with you and show you, hey, it's just like Daddy said, and Granddaddy and Great-Grand. No matter what happens, you can let it break you, or you can break it. Keep that in mind. Well, there you have it, as you can see. Back like nearly brand new. Yeah, it's got a little rust on it. But we got the handles back on it. It took about, an hour. Would have been a whole lot easier with two people, but you work with what you got. Yeah, and you know, Spooky, he was in there trying to help. God bless him. But, you know, he ain't got no thumbs. He can only do so much. Speedy, she was just sort of lounging around. I got everything lined up and they fit perfectly. Surely did. So, I've been looking at these because I thought, oh well, when it finally broke, and I was saying, you know, it's got some rust. I've had it probably 20 years. Maybe it's time to get a replacement. And this ain't the little bitty wheelbarrow. This is the big one. This is what they call the 9 cubic foot contractor's wheelbarrow from True Temper. And they want Oh, $450, sometimes $600 for one of these here wheelbarrows. You know, that are metal, not plastic, not no chinsy little steel or aluminum handles. Little bitty tire, you know. Those are, you know, now $200, $300. Yeah, I thought, whoa, I better look for some handles. And I'm so glad I did. $45 on Amazon.com. Yeah, and I even got my dumper snozzola thing there on the front again. And if you look at the first portion of the video, you'll see it was missing. It wasn't because I took it off. It broke off last year. Because like I say, we use this wheelbarrow. Yep. We've used it for mixing cement, compost, potting soil. Oh, God. And I'll guarantee you it's picked up 1,000 tons or more of limbs and sticks over the years. And all we needed was a little 1/2-inch box end wrench. Yep. And there's the old ones right there. They'll go out on the street or up on the burn pile. Maybe that's more appropriate since they've been a part of the home place. Maybe their ash could fertilize the gardens. Huh, good idea. So all I gotta do now is pick up, you know, my tools, one toolbox, my rubber hammer, throw the old ones there on the burn pile, grab my gloves, pick up what I dumped when the handle broke today, and keep on keeping on, because we got a lot to do. Clean back around the oak tree, get rid of this garbage right here, stuff I don't want no more. Clean up there by the house. Yeah, we'll probably call it a day then. Yeah, go in and make me some of those there. Woo, smoked sausage. Buns. Well, it's smoked sausage. Caramelized onions and green peppers. On a hamburger bun. With your favorite slice of cheese. And favorite condiments. Yeah. I don't know if y'all do that. And if you like, maybe I'll share. It ain't much. But it's quick, it's tasty, and it's filling. Yeah. If you want to, do you some fries. Okay. So, we got to get back at it. Well, we got that wheelbarrow all back together. Picked up everything we dropped when it broke. Put up our tools. It's time to get a soft drink or something. Time to go in and see what we got in the fridge. Oh my. We got more packages. That's probably Spooky again. I'm thinking, well, one's Gracie, I know. She wanted a new litter box, you know, the queen. She wanted one that matched Lily bits. Yeah. Blue, high side, yeah. I'm not sure what's in the other box. I guess I just have to take it on in the house. And see you later on tonight. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to go on in and get a cold drink. Come out here, sit on the front porch. Chat a while before we continue on after the break is done. Because there's plenty more to do. Surely there is. We're going to be going at it every day we can till we can't go no more. Okay, let's go see what we got to drink. Okay? Speedy, you laying with Papa? You are. Staying close, huh? Well, there's your brother, big brother Spooky. Me and him been working. We've been putting a wheelbarrow back together. Yeah, where were you? Napping? Mr. Gray, I didn't see you back there with me and Spooky either. You know, I know you know how to do everything. You've only been alive now, what, 120 years or more? You know, human years. So hey, next time you see us, you know, stroking, you need to come back and give us a hand, okay? Of course, you know, the day is not done yet. No. It's only 4:28. Nope. Even though the kiddies are all tuckered out, well, we got a light breeze, you know, 85 degrees. Oh, partly cloudy. Got them big poofy clouds coming in from the west. Well, there's a front up, you know, in the upper Midwest. Not sure we'll see anything from it. But part of the reason today was to keep on stroking. And you can see, even though the yard was just mowed, oh, what, 4 days ago? It ain't much looking like it now, is it? Nope. So, yeah. Tomorrow, we'll be mowing it again. That's why we were trying to finish picking everything up. And before we go in tonight, we'll be mowing back behind the house. And finishing that all up. You know, around the big oak. Getting everything spruced up, you know. Probably won't get to far backyard, back by the property line. You know, past the burn piles. That'll be for tomorrow. And then we still got to trim around trees. The pine up there. Now, I ain't looking forward to that, because that's got some poison ivy in it. Not all of it's poison ivy. Some of it's that Virginia creeper. Others is poison ivy for sure. But when I'm up there about to do it, I'll show you the difference. Because every year people caution me, and they're seeing the Virginia creeper, thinking it's poison oak, when it's not. But I'll go over all that in a future video. I'm probably here the next day or two, because I got to get that done. As well as trim up the Latanya. Some's coming back, some's not. Greenbriers in it, you know, it just goes on and on. You can either complain and whine, or you can just fix it. And especially this year, I'm in the fixing mode. I'm going to try to be in fixing mode for the rest of my humble life here on the face of this planet, given God's grace to do so. So, if I can get my helper there, Spooky, and maybe Speedy there to help me out, we can whip this out in the next hour or two and get on in and make chow, guys. What do you say? You ready to go? Well, let me finish my last Fanta. It's the last one I got. You know, that tantalizing, crisp orange soda. Next time you're craving a orange drink, remember Fanta from your childhood and live the memories of the past. So good. 100% natural flavors. Just saying. Well, there you have it, folks. Now I got to get back and get it going. Finish a little bit of my Fanta I got left. I'm so glad you could stop by, help me with that wheelbarrow. I've seen so many of them on the side of the road, the handles will break, or the wheels, you know, all flat, and you know, maybe it's rusty. Still workable. People just throw them away. But with the way prices are right now, I think we're going to be going back to what we used to do. Fixing it up. Yes, sir. And ma'am. And that's what I've always done, and I'll continue to do. There have been times in my life where I've been lazy, and I was almost lazy about the wheelbarrow. And I figured almost 20 years was enough until I started looking at the prices. I think I can get another 20 out of it. What do y'all think? So hey, until the kitty crew, you know, Spooky, Speedy. Cleo was here for lunch, Mr. Gray. Magoo, he was here for lunch too. You missed him. I might throw him in on the end of the video. I have a clip. And sometimes Elrod, Heathcliff too. And of course, Gracie and Lilybet. And you saw Gracie ordered her a new litter box. Yep, crystal blue, high step side, just like what I got for Lilybet. You know, those two kitties are just like children. Yeah, and I know I spoil them. But you get one something, because you know, they're brand new to the house. They didn't have their stuff. Then Gracie, well, she was here and go, well, I need new stuff too. I'm the queen. Yeah, she had a perfectly fine litter box, but it was gray. I guess it wasn't as fancy as Lilybet's. So hey, it came today, and sure enough, that's what was in the box. So like I said, until I see y'all on the next video, y'all take care out there, stay safe. And God bless each and every one of you as you bless others. And before you throw something out, don't become a hoarder, because I'm clearing things out too. I'm going to be less of a hoarder by the end of this year than I've probably ever been in my life. Some you'll see, some you won't. But think about it. Can I use it now? And if you have no use, saving it is of no use. I know, I've been that way. I got stuff I haven't touched for 20 years. But hey, maybe we'll talk about that some other afternoon on the front porch. Love y'all. Appreciate you watching. And as always, if you can give the old man a thumbs up, one of them there likes. And if you're not subscribed and you stumbled up upon us by chance, please do so. I appreciate it, and so do the kiddies. So y'all, we'll see you again soon. Later all.